Which AM/FM antenna is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the answer. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 best options for your money. Product number 1, Bingfu FM Dipole Antenna. First up is the Bingfu FM Radio Dipole Antenna. Priced at just $8.99, this little gem caught my attention with its simple design and impressive ratings. If you want improved FM reception without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. It's got a 10-foot coaxial extension cable, letting you place it where the signal is strongest, like near a window. This really matters because positioning can make or break your reception quality, especially in areas with interference. With over 6,500 reviews and a solid 4.1-star rating, people seem pretty satisfied. Now, some folks mentioned that the adhesive mount could struggle if placed on certain wall textures. Here's the thing though, if you follow the instructions and ensure a clean surface, it should hold up fine. For those who might be a bit more adventurous with their installations, this isn't likely a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want an easy-to-install antenna that won't clutter your space. Skip this one if you need something more permanent or if you have outdoor installation in mind. For the price, it's a solid value. Now, if the adhesive mounting concerned you, the next option is a bit more traditional. Product number 2, Bingfu 7 Sections Telescopic Antenna. Next is the Bingfu 7 Sections Telescopic Antenna, priced at just $5.69. With its portable design, it's perfect for those of us who want flexibility. If you want a replacement antenna that can adapt to your needs, this is worth a serious look. This antenna can extend from 15 cm to 74 cm, which is between 5.9 to 29 inches. It's made of stainless steel, so durability is on your side. Here's why this matters. Longer antennas can often pick up weaker signals better, especially in areas where reception can be spotty. With a 4.5-star rating from about 2,100 reviews, it's clear users appreciate its performance. However, some users reported it being a bit flimsy at full extension. I'll be real with you, if you're rough with your gear, this might not hold up for you. But if you treat it with care, it should serve you well and cover those tricky reception spots. This is perfect for you if you have a portable radio or need a quick fix for your home stereo. Skip this one if you prefer a more permanent solution. For its price, it's a great buy. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better if you want something that's all-in-one. Product number 3, Bingfu FM Radio Dipole Antenna 75 Ohm. Now let's talk about the Bingfu FM Radio Dipole Antenna 75 Ohm, priced at $9.89. This one really caught my eye thanks to its dual functionality. If you're looking for an affordable way to boost your FM and AM reception, this is worth a serious look. This antenna comes with both an FM dipole and an AM loop, which means you get 2 types of reception in one package. It's designed to work seamlessly with receivers from brands like Marantz and Onkyo, so compatibility is a strong point here. The easy installation process is a huge plus. Just plug it into the antenna port and you're ready to go. With a 4.3-star rating from around 2,300 reviews, users appreciate the improved reception. However, some users have mentioned that it might not be the best in rural areas. Here's the thing though, if you live in a city or suburban area, this won't be an issue for you. But if you're out in the sticks, you might need something more robust. This is perfect for you if you have a home stereo system and want to improve your radio experience. Skip this one if you live in an area with very weak signals. For the price point, you're getting great value with the dual functionality. Now, if you're looking for something that's a bit more portable and versatile, then let's check out the next option. Product number 4, Bingfu 75 Ohm FM Antenna and AM Loop. Next up is the Bingfu 75 Ohm FM Antenna and AM Loop, also priced at $8.99. This one is another solid choice for those who want reliable reception. If you want a straightforward antenna that gets the job done, this is worth a serious look. This antenna features a 75 ohm impedance and comes with both an FM and AM option, making it a versatile pick. The setup is incredibly simple. Just plug it into your stereo receiver and you're set. This matters because ease of use is key for many folks who just want to enjoy their music without fussing over their equipment. With a good rating of 4.3 stars from about 1,100 reviews, people seem happy with its performance. However, a few buyers mentioned that the build quality felt a bit cheap. Here's my take: while it might not feel as premium, it still gets the job done well, so it shouldn't deter you if you're looking for performance rather than aesthetics. This is perfect for you if you want a simple installation and good reception without any bells and whistles. Skip this one if you prefer a more heavy-duty antenna. For the price, it's a solid value for your money. Alright, that brings us to the last pick, which focuses on portability. Product number 5, AEDIKO FM Radio Antenna. Finally, we have the AEDIKO FM Radio Antenna priced at $7.99. This antenna is designed with portability in mind. If you want something that you can easily move around to find the best signal, this is worth a serious look. This FM coax antenna comes with a length of 4.9 feet and features a standard 75 ohm impedance. What's great is the AM loop antenna is included, giving you even more options for tuning in. With a decent rating of 4.2 stars from 185 reviews, it's clear there's a demand for this type of solution. On the flip side, some reviewers found the installation a bit tricky. Here's the thing: once you get the hang of it, it's straightforward, but it might take a minute for first-timers. If you're tech-savvy, you'll likely breeze through it. This is perfect for you if you want a portable solution for various locations like your garage or office. Skip this one if you need something that's going to stay in one place permanently. For the price, it's a very reasonable option. To wrap it up, we've covered some fantastic options today. To quickly recap, we've looked at 5 solid choices: the Bingfu FM dipole antenna for easy installation, the Bingfu 7 sections telescopic antenna for flexibility, the Bingfu FM radio dipole with dual functionality, the Bingfu 75 ohm FM antenna for simplicity, and the AEDIKO FM radio antenna for portability. Each has its strengths depending on your needs. No matter which you choose, you're getting fantastic value for your money.